Good morning, students. Welcome to online 6th standard computer science class. Today we learn about the chapter 1 computer languages. These are the topics we'll cover on the chapters. Matters the introduction of programming languages, the types of languages, comparison of high level and low level languages, language processors, then types of language translators, comparison of language processors. First of all, we should know what's a language. A language means language is a medium to express our views and feelings to others. Now, let's talk about the computer languages. Computer languages are humans use language to communicate and different regions and languages. Computer languages are varying levels of abstraction such that humans can develop program. For example, program to print some simple sample message in C language. Listen here. The first program in C programming language. You have to include only single header file, that is stdio.h. This header file contains the declaration printf function. stdio.h means standard input output. Printf is used to display message as well as value on the standard output device. This program will print the first message on the output screen. Here we are going to learn how to write, execute and run a first program in C programming language. In this program, we will print first message. Okay, students, are you understand? Okay. Now, C program. What is programming? Program means a program is a set of instructions given to computer. Set of instructions given to computer. Then programming languages. The process of writing instructions in a computer language is known as programming languages. There are three types of programming languages. First one is low level languages. Second one is middle level languages. Third one is high level language. Then low level languages. And language that corresponds directly to a specific machine. It is easily understood by the computer. There are two types of low level languages. First one is machine language, another one is assembly language. Machine language that is used to first generation, and language that is directly understood by the hardware. Machine language is the lowest, almost elementary level of programming languages. Machine code, it is expressed in binary form. For example, zeros and ones, where 0 means off state, 1 means on state. This machine processing is very fast. Assembly language that is used to second generation, a programming language that consists of instructions that are mnemonic codes for corresponding machine language instructions. In assembly language are generally very simple, unlike those in high level languages. Generally, a mnemonic is a symbolic name for a single executable machine language instruction, and there is at least one opcode mnemonic defined for each machine language. Mnemonic is an alphabetical abbreviation used as a memory aid. For example, add for addition, sub for subtraction, mult for multiplication, LDA for load, div for division. Examples of low level languages. Then high level languages, that is used to third generation. High level language, that is classified for structured language, procedural language, object oriented language. High level language is allow or used to keep instruction for English language, which make them easier to learn. The program in high level language is also converted into machine language by using language translators. Some examples of high level languages are C, C++, and Java, for etc. Okay students, have you understood? Okay, thank you. Remind, we will see the next class.